She's just 3 or 4 years old, that's all.
Yeah. Bradley!
Bradley!
Hey, Brad!
Well, Grandpa, are you going to say something?
No.
Come on, Bradley. Daddy wants to take your picture.
Bradley, turn around here.
Say something to
Bradley, let me hear the hawk. Come on, let me hear the hawk. I want to hear the hawk.
No.
Yes, make it.
Hold him up.
Have any girlfriends?
No, I don't.
You don't have any girlfriends?
I don't.
Bet you do.
No, I don't. That's the same thing that happened every time. But this only last time I had a record in there.
Bradley, what are you doing? Hey, you come back here. You come back here, Bradley. Yes. Come here. Come here.
Bradley.
Come here. Well, Grandma, you gonna say something? No?
So we don't want to use a whole roll of film on it. That's enough, Dave.